Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Still doing my live simulation. I finally broke my threshold, y'all. For those who still here, still subscribe to this channel, still checking me out. Man, I appreciate y'all very much. I didn't come with the intentions of really getting subscribers and really doing like marketing on this channel, but in a trade. I've been in the Euro USD trades since like about an hour and some change. Or I probably I ain't doing it right now. I'm on my phone right now. But I got in this trade earlier, 1648. It's at 1637. Things is going pretty well. I'm 10 pips away from my price. Should be over in 41 minutes. I bought it at $46. I bought 3 contracts. Y'all know I done broke 1,000 now. At 1,200 some change. I was really sitting at 11.27, something like that. Right now, I'm currently in profit on both of these trades right now. Still got an hour and 41 minutes left on AUD/USD. I'm not going to the charts, y'all. My charts are loaded right now, and that's just the way it is. I'll probably come back to you guys at the end of this trade. Just know y'all can see the price, the indicative price is winning. So things going pretty well right now. We'll see how things continue to go. Still got a lot of time on this trade, so just gonna do a lot of this right now. To decide to want to move. This, the AUD/USD popped up. What price it popped up to? I can't check right now, but I'm doing a live. I'm doing some forex trades as well. I see AUD/USD popping back up right now, but I'm gonna do some forex trades as well. Got some in some buy stop and sell stops. I set pending orders on my trades. Same with my charts. Y'all see that. Right now I'm in $8 profit. Things going pretty well on these trades. Once these trades hit the victories, hit the TPs. I've been doing my trades on FX Blue. So you can check my statement out here. As soon as it pops up, I gotta wait till it pops up, guys. Give me a second. There it is. Yeah, I've been doing my trades on FX Blue. I took 2 losses. I just took a loss on AUD/USD. I don't know why this trade even went in. It didn't even, my alert didn't even go off of my AUD/USD. I don't even know why it went in. But I think it's the platform, so they put me in the trade. That's why I lost that trade. And the first AD trade I lost, that was my fault. I kind of hit the TP. I had this hit the stop loss. I closed the trade out at $1 and some change. So $1.74 to be exact. So you see my stats. You see it. 71% right now. That's because I took that extra loss. So that'll come up once these trades clear out. It'll be back in the 80s. But doing well so far. Just testing it out. I haven't did forex trading in years, so we'll see how this thing roll. But this is my FX Blue account, so that's me. The trades are going well right now. I'll get back with you guys in a moment. Give y'all a little sneak peek while the trade's still going well. That much time ain't elapsed yet, but just want to give y'all a sneak peek while I was sitting here looking. Kind of going over some of my old videos, saying, my little, my journey to this point on this one, on this account. It's been going pretty well, but yeah, as y'all can see, up $164 and counting in the profit loss in the P&L zone right there. Looking good. We down a couple of pips right now. About 6 pips, so things going pretty good. I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, the countdown is pretty much over on this trade here on Euro USD. The trade is over. Y'all see I'm 96 in profit on AUD/USD. I've got in the trade on GU. So yeah, as you see, my available my account value just changed. I'm at 300 now. That jumped a little. So things are going pretty well on these accounts right now. We'll see what's going on with GU at 3 a.m. Got in this trade probably about 5-10 minutes ago, something like that. So I'm probably hang out to about 3 o'clock. Then I'm gonna lay my ass down and get probably 4 or 5 hours of sleep, maybe. But yeah, and, if I don't like this position will continue to move in the way I want it to move, and then the next 25 minutes, I'm just gonna get out this trade. But really, just probably I can wait till you get in the green and take it what it takes. We got alerts here. We got more trades going in right now. Right now in the present moment. So give me just a moment, guys. I can see what's going on with the market. That's AUD USD hitting another lower level. Really, that's AUD USD. Just as a confirmation saying that AUD got to a certain level. That was my TP. So they hit a TP on my forex account. So that's what happened. So boom, my profits went up on my forex account. So that's pretty good. I'm in profit on all the other trades right now. As you can see, the GU went in as well at 30.90. So that's the price. That's the price I got in. And as you can see, I missed the USD CHF, and I could have caught that USD CHF. I ain't gonna lie, I could have caught that trade at that price. All my binary options, but I didn't. I didn't trust. I don't know. It was out of session. I didn't want to take the trade, but I know my forex would pick it up anyway. I just let it run and let it do what it do. Yeah, I think they fucked me out of this one because look at this position. This was what was this? Hold on. What's the high on this? 35, 73.95.0. And see, that's what I'm saying. My price wasn't My price wasn't that. What was my price? I got it written down right here. It was 73.95.2, and it triggered my trade, and it made me lose some money. I didn't like that. I did not like that at all. So it's kind of messed with my statistics. As you can see, it just hit the TP right now on my other chart, and the TP didn't go off. I need that to go off. You know what I'm saying? You know, that's why when I do forex trading, I'm not using this broker. I'm not using this broker. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wait till this mug get down back to that price, and I'll take that profit myself. But it really hurts my heart on that one. But I don't want to make this video too long. It's already 8 minutes long as it is. You see my forex trades are winning right now. Okay, it just TP'd just now. Sweet. It's continuing going down as y'all see. It's a pretty good ass trade. I could have got back in this trade. Shit. But as you see, it's still winning. I'm winning on GU right now as it is right now. It's at 86. That's a whole 10 pips. I'm up 1400 right now. Sweet, y'all. I got 55 minutes left. We'll see what the market wants to do. As you can see, 70.74 was my entry. So y'all do the math. I'm trading pretty well right now. Just to let you know. Just to let you know. I really did my due diligence the last few weeks, really prior to starting this live simulation. I did my due diligence 4th of July weekend, and really right before 4th of July, I did a lot of work that weekend before and at it right now. You know, so right now I've been demoing for the last 2 weeks, so boom, we're looking good now. I'll get back with y'all at 3 o'clock. Yo, what's going on, y'all? I'm checking back in. Yeah, GU trade is going very well right now. We're down over 10 pips right now. We're at 12 pips. Counting up 16 pips. So things are going pretty good now. Things are going pretty good. Trades up, going good. We got 24 minutes left, so I'll be getting back with you guys in just a moment. Oh yeah, and the AUD USD trade still winning. Yes. Oh yeah, it's down to 48. We over 25 pips. You know what I mean? That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh man, y'all, we got a close one here, boy. That thing came back, man. It came back, but I'm up and winning. Made a little hiccup earlier, but I did enough to come back. As you see, well, look at this. Look at that. That's, you know, I made a hiccup. Came in here, I hit the thing about 6 minutes left in GU and lost about $100, but it's all good. As you can see, I'm back up again. 37 seconds left. We're down 24 pips on this one, 6 pips on this one. It's down 15 pips. It made a run, European session type run it made. You know what I mean? It's about to come in. So as you see, count say 486. I was gonna lose these trades. That's where I'll be at. But 13 seconds left. This thing's at 30.89. This my price is 30.96. So we're holding. AUD is not coming back right now. Let's get my market spike out the ass. But here's a victory, y'all. Let's watch it. Boom. All right, come on, clear on out. There we go. $1,500. All right, guys. This has been a nice little video, man. Nice little video. I started the night before these trades at 11:27. I'm at $1,500. So nice. Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.